GIS is a spatial system that allows for the capture, the manipulation, the analysis, and the mapping of spatial data. In terms of how it's being used, whether it's from local city municipalities to environmental agencies, there's more demand than there are current students to be able to do that.
There's so many different opportunities for employment in GIS. The thing that's the most exciting for me about this course is that it has direct application to my current job.
The skills that I am applying in the real world have to do with learning how to use ArcGIS Pro and ArcGIS Online, and which is taught heavily in the GIS program and even the geography programs here at CWI.
They really start to understand what GIS is and how it can be used, seeing them learn these new skills and find their own path in exploring GIS.
Building my own career, which is awesome.